That is BW 250 woofer.
In the Netherlands, when Thomas Turner's colleague posted a Facebook picture of the fish in Santa Barbara, he grabbed his 4-year-old son and headed for the beach.
It's pretty big. It's a lot bigger than he is. So it was 7 feet almost exactly, wide open mouth, no teeth, and this big staring eye. So it looks super surprising.
You can get 2 new lines of unlimited with 2 phones included for just $100 a month. That's right, 2 new lines with 2 phones included for just $100 a month. $90 for essentials.
That is BW 250 woofer. Sounds fine, works fine. Thank you for looking. Good luck.